Hello everyone, we're going to make a quick video on using interior sketches when we're working in 3D. So up until this shape, up until block 3, we've been using just the outside edges of shapes. So our first box was just like this, and then we had the second box, the doorstop was just with the slash mark. For this block, we're going to need to add on a circle to represent that hole, and then another rectangle to represent that slot. Okay, so I'm going to go through here and do the smart dimensions on the outside real quick. Just a quick reminder, if your sketch turns gray like this and it's not correct, so I didn't do my smart dimensions yet, you come to the left side here, click on whichever sketch you need to edit, and then click on edit sketch. Alright, let's type these in real quick. If you can't remember how to do the smart dimensions for this part, there's a video using the smart dimension tool that you can watch to refresh your memory on that. And I'm going to show one more common mistake that a lot of kids make. A lot of students will want to add in another smart dimension right here to make this 1 inch also. When I do that, it's going to pop up with this box. Okay, this basically means that I tried to smart dimension something that was already set in place. Okay, because this distance is 1, this distance is 1, and this distance is 3. So 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 3 equals 1. So this distance has to be 1. I can't change that distance. So because of that, it won't let me put a smart dimension in here because it's already defined. So that's what that means when it pops up. Alright, once you have all your dimensions in, then we're going to go ahead and exit sketch. Select our sketch 2, add the extruded boss base to that. Alright, now when we move to adding our depth, you can see I'm putting my number up here for my depth, but this shape isn't actually doing anything yet. So the yellow preview is going to show you what is being built in 3D. So right now I don't have any yellow preview. So if I hit the green check mark, okay, nothing's going to happen. It's going to give me an error code. SOLIDWORKS can't understand places like this, where you have intersecting lines and two completely separate shapes there. So a really easy fix for this is you just need to click on the shape that you want. So if I wanted the inside shape here and the circle, I click on those two. And see, my yellow preview shows me what it's going to look like. Okay, obviously now I don't want those, so I can just click on them again to unselect them. One thing you don't want to do is click on the edge lines. Okay, unless that's the shape you're trying to make, I guess. But for the most part, you want to click in the open areas in between shapes, and that will kind of stop you from making mistakes. Over here in the bottom left side, this is called your selected contours, and this lets you know what you've clicked on. So if things aren't working right, go down to this box, delete everything out of there, and then reselect which pieces you want. So all we need is this piece right here, and then that will build our shape for us that we need from that. So that was just a quick video on using interior shapes and selecting the correct contours.